Hello everyone, I am Babita Sharma. As a member of Suraj Group of Education, Suraj Group of Education motivates each and every student to do their best in their life. Students, today we will discuss about sentences. What is sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. There are three types of sentences. First one is simple. The second one is compound. The third one is complex. First of all, we will discuss about simple sentence. What is simple sentence? Simple sentence is a sentence that has one subject and one predicate. One subject and one predicate. It has only one main clause. It has only one main clause. The sentence that has one main clause is a simple sentence. It has one independent clause. Example, he runs fast. She drinks milk. These sentences have their own complete meaning. She drinks milk. He runs fast. They have only one main clause. One subject with one predicate. Subject, predicate. Now, another example. They is subject and read book, this one is predicate. It has a complete sense. It never dependent on any of the other clause. So the next one is compound sentence. Compound sentence has two independent or main clauses. Two independent or main clauses. Just like this. Sorry. He is drinking milk. This one is a complete clause or a meaningful clause. but I am drinking juice. This one is also a independent clause. They have their proper and complete meaning. There is a conjunction, but it joins the two sentences, both the two sentences. This one is conjunction. He is drinking milk. This one is a complete sentence. I am drinking juice. This one is another main clause. These are compound sentences with that has two or more than two main clauses with one subject and the rest one is predicate. Here is one subject and the rest one is predicate. So the next one is the third one is complex sentence. In this type of sentence, there is one main clause and one or two subordinate clause. Main clause, subordinate clause or dependent clause. After I finished my work, I went to home. I went to home. This one is main clause. After I finished my work, this one is subordinate clause. In complex sentence, there is one main clause with one or more than one subordinate clause. And we connect it, or we use the conjunction like after, nor, but, and make, and many more. When it was raining, I ate pizza. I ate pizza. This one is main clause. When it was raining, this one is subordinate clause. This one is subordinate clause. In this type of sentences, there is one main clause with one or more than one subordinate clauses. The main clause is not dependent on that one, but this one is dependent on main clause. After this, we will find out the actual meaning of this sentence. When it was raining, जब बारिश हो रही थी, क्या हो रहा था? बारिश हो रही थी तब. I ate pizza. मैंने पिज्जा खाया था. So these are two examples of complex sentence. Again, I repeat, there are three types of sentences. The first one is simple with only one main clause. It has one subject and one predicate. And the second one is compound sentence that has two main clause connected with one conjunction. And the third one is the complex sentence which has one main clause, with one or more than one subordinate clauses. It depends on main clause. So these are some of the type of sentences. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.